Welcome to the top best. The Best Holy Hydration Cream is probably one of the most talked about skincare products of the year, and for good reason. Today, we're diving deep into this affordable yet effective moisturizer from E.L.F. Cosmetics. I'll be sharing my honest thoughts on its texture, how it feels on the skin, and whether it lives up to the hype. Get ready to find out if this is the hydration hero your skin has been craving. Number 5. E.L.F. Holy Hydration Face Cream. This award-winning facial moisturizer provides a powerful boost of hydration. It's packed with ingredients to even out skin tone and replenish moisture, leaving your skin firm and bouncy. Key ingredients include hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, squalane, and vitamin B5. They work together to moisturize, minimize pores, improve elasticity, and soothe your skin. This moisturizer is suitable for normal, dry, combination, and oily skin types. It's designed to work for a wide range of skin needs. Apply this non-greasy cream day or night. It absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling smooth and super soft. You can incorporate it into your daily routine easily. E.L.F. is proud to be vegan and cruelty-free, certified by Leaping Bunny and PETA. This product is made without any animal-derived ingredients and is not tested on animals. What we like? This cream provides a powerful hydration boost, leaving your skin feeling plump and refreshed. It's packed with ingredients that even out skin tone. If you're looking for a versatile moisturizer that works day and night, this is the one for you. What people say. It's moisturizing, but not oily or greasy or heavy. It goes on so smoothly, feels lightweight, and layers really well under makeup. It absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy residue or tackiness, which makes it perfect under makeup or layered with other skincare. Number 4. E.L.F. Skin Holy Hydration SPF 30 Face Cream. This is the best-selling face cream, now with SPF 30. It hydrates and protects your skin with a lightweight formula. It absorbs quickly, making it perfect for daily use under makeup. This ultra-hydrating cream replenishes moisture, leaving your skin supple and even-toned. The non-greasy formula absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling smooth and soft. It's great for any day. It includes broad-spectrum SPF 30 to protect against UVA/UVB rays. Hyaluronic acid locks in moisture, while niacinamide minimizes pores. Peptides promote collagen and improve skin texture. Whether you have normal, dry, combination, or oily skin, this cream is designed for you. It's a versatile product that caters to a wide range of needs. E.L.F. is committed to being vegan and cruelty-free. The product is double certified by Leaping Bunny and PETA. You can feel good about using it. What we like? This cream takes hydration to the next level with the added benefit of SPF 30. It protects your skin from the sun's harmful rays while keeping it moisturized. If you are looking for a daily moisturizer with sun protection, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It's moisturizing, but not oily or greasy or heavy. It goes on so smoothly, feels lightweight, and layers really well under makeup. It absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy residue or tackiness, which makes it perfect under makeup or layered with other skincare. Number 3. E.L.F. Holy Hydration Cleansing Balm. This is the Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm from E.L.F. It's designed to melt away your makeup effortlessly, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and clean. The balm starts as solid, transforms into a luxurious oil, and then emulsifies into a nourishing milk. It rinses off cleanly, taking all the day's impurities with it. This cleansing balm is infused with hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and peptides. These ingredients work together to leave your skin feeling silky smooth and plumped with hydration. Whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin, this balm is perfect for you. It's formulated to be compatible with all skin types, providing a gentle yet effective cleanse. For an extra clean feel, follow up with your favorite E.L.F. cleanser, such as the Holy Hydration Daily Cleanser. This ensures all traces of makeup and impurities are removed. E.L.F. is committed to being 100% vegan and cruelty-free. The product is double certified by Leaping Bunny and PETA, so you can feel good about what you're using. What we like? This cleansing balm effortlessly melts away makeup, leaving your skin clean and hydrated. It's infused with hyaluronic acid for extra moisture, If you like a gentle yet effective makeup remover that suits all skin types, then you should consider this. What people say. It is a great moisturizer. It works well under makeup. It leaves my skin feeling hydrated. Number 2. E.L.F. Holy Hydration Jet Set Skincare Kit. Introducing the E.L.F. Holy Hydration Jet Set Kit. This travel-friendly set includes all your skincare essentials in convenient, TSA-ready sizes. It's perfect for keeping your skin hydrated on the go. The kit includes a cleanser, hydrating balm, moisturizer, eye cream, and night cream. This comprehensive set has everything you need to maintain your skincare routine, no matter where you are. Each product is packed with nourishing ingredients. Aloe, shea butter, jojoba oil, vitamin E, peptides, and hyaluronic acid work together to hydrate and revitalize your skin. This skincare set is designed for all skin types. Whether your skin is dry, oily, or combination, this kit will help you achieve a healthy, glowing complexion. Start by cleansing with the daily face cleanser. Then, apply the prep and hydrate balm. Use the daily hydration moisturizer and eye cream during the day, and the nourishing night cream in the evening. E.L.F. is committed to being 100% vegan and cruelty-free. The product is double certified by Leaping Bunny and PETA, so you can feel good about using it. What we like. This kit is your go-to for skincare on the go, packed with travel-sized essentials. Each product is formulated to nourish and hydrate your skin. If you are a traveler or someone who loves convenience, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The travel-friendly sizes are perfect for packing, and the products work well together to keep skin feeling hydrated while on the go. The cleansing balm melts makeup easily without leaving any greasy feeling, and the eye cream feels super refreshing and hydrating. This was amazing for my skin. Especially on a beach vacation. High recommend. Number 1. E.L.F. Holy Hydration Eye Cream. This rich formula deeply hydrates and nourishes the delicate skin around your eyes. It helps to minimize the appearance of dark circles, leaving you looking refreshed. The cream is infused with hyaluronic acid to hydrate and plump the skin. Peptides are also included to promote a more refreshed complexion. The formula is non-greasy and absorbs quickly, making it perfect for all skin types. You can apply it without worrying about a heavy feeling. It's ideal for wearing under makeup to lock in moisture. This will help your makeup stay fresh all day long. Like all E.L.F. products, this eye cream is made with skin-loving ingredients and is free of toxins. It's also 100% cruelty-free and vegan. What we like. This eye cream is a rich, hydrating formula designed to minimize dark circles. It's infused with hyaluronic acid to plump the skin. If you like a non-greasy eye cream that helps you look refreshed, then you should consider this. What people say. It is very hydrating and leaves my skin feeling soft. The cream is lightweight and absorbs quickly. It works great under makeup. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.